Today, I'm here with Jennifer Bondi from Bondi Law. Jennifer, how long have you been in business?
I have been an attorney for 10 years. So I previously worked for a firm in Osceola County that I managed for several years, and I've decided now to branch out on my own.
That's great. And so how did you get started?
Well, for me, I started actually in the mortgage industry in 2006. I'm sure a lot of people remember those days. And then I went from mortgage lending to title and escrow. And so once I became an attorney, it was kind of a natural progression to get into real estate law.
I didn't know you were in mortgages.
Yeah.
When did that start?
Well, 2006 to 2008, when everybody else was in mortgages until they weren't.
Crazy market.
Yeah.
So for those people who don't know who Jennifer Bondi is, can you give us a little synopsis of that?
Oh, yes. So I am a mom and a wife and I guess I would say a great business owner. I'm very entrepreneurial and I really like helping my clients. I've found that the areas I practice in with real estate, probate, and legacy planning just really are a natural fit for me to be able to help my clients and make them really get value out of legal services.
And do you have like a top selling service that you do? I know because attorneys fall into all different branches.
Yeah, that's a great question. So I would say that what I focus on the most would be legacy planning. So whether that's through wills or through trusts or some other structure for asset protection, and then real estate services. So I love representing clients in real estate transactions, whether we're handling the closing from start to finish, or I'm assisting with a particular piece like rezoning a property if someone's looking to build a custom home or develop a commercial shopping center or something like that. So I really love real estate work.
So that's interesting because I sent you several clients that come from attorney states.
Yeah.
And sometimes, even though our contracts that we are allowed to use are written by attorneys, sometimes they just feel more comfortable having an attorney by their side. So, we've done a few deals like that. So I appreciate you.
Yes. And I'm happy to help.
Yeah. So I want to focus on Central Florida for a bit. Maybe you could talk about, how you uniquely serve the Central Florida area.
So how I uniquely serve the Central Florida area, I try to provide services in multiple locations. So with the unique virtual market that we're in today, it really allows people to, get the service that's in their area. So someone doesn't have to necessarily drive to my office. We'll provide a mobile notary or an online remote notary just to make it as convenient as possible for our clients.
Very nice. And so how long have you lived in Central Florida?
I have lived in Central Florida for 10 years. I actually came here for a man who is now my husband.
Good thing it's you, husband. What's your husband's name?
Jeff.
Jeff. Good thing it's you, Jeff.
Yes, it is Jeff. So we met when I was in law school, and he lived over here, and my sister actually was interested in moving to Central Florida. And so I came over here, and the rest is history, as they say. So I've loved it ever since.
And you have two littles.
Yes.
Yeah, that's so nice. And what would you say to anyone that lives outside of our beautiful state of Florida if they were wanting to move here?
If they wanted to move to Central Florida, I would say, of course, Orlando is one of the top tourist destinations of the world, but there's so many great communities in and around Orlando. So you've got Winter Garden, you've got Winter Park, you've got downtown St. Cloud, you've got Lake Nona. So really explore the little towns and find really what best suits you and your, lifestyle.
Yeah. And so aside from your business, which we would recommend, is there someone that maybe has never been to Florida? If you're coming to Florida besides Disney, you must visit this one place. Maybe it's a place I don't even know.
Oh, well, as you know, my husband and I are big foodies, so we eat at a lot of restaurants, but there is a great little restaurant that I always recommend to people. It's called Little Saigon. It's a Vietnamese place that is right on Mills and 50, and we love it. I go there every chance we get, and it's something I think a lot of people wouldn't know because it's a small hole-in-the-wall place, but it's great food.
Oh, that's great. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to sit down with me and do this interview. And how can people contact you?
Oh, they can find me at www.bondi.law, or you can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/Bondi Law Firm.
Oh, that's easy enough.
It is. Try to make it simple.
Thank you.
Thank you, Janine.